Hey guys, here I have a Volkswagen 2012 and a Volkswagen 2017, and I have to replace the battery because the car told me the battery is low. So what you have to do, you have to open the key, and then you see here the battery is here. You see here there is like a slot. You have to pry on that. Sometimes you can do it by hand. Sometimes, see, this one I already opened it, but now I'm gonna tighten it again. This one is actually very easy. The newest one, it's a little tighter. So what I'm gonna do, you see, you just pry here. You hold here, you pry here. You see, this one comes out really easy. It's already out. And that's your battery. And then you need like a screwdriver. Actually, if you have a small flat, you pry there, sorry. You pry there. Let me go get it. And it comes out easily. Okay, here it is. See, that's the screwdriver you need. Easy. Here it is. So the battery you need is this. I hope you can see. CR2032. Okay, let's do the same on the newest one. It's a little harder, but at the end is the same. The important is to hold here, and with the other finger, you pull here hard. Okay. This one is a little harder because it's a newer one, but you see at the end the result is the same. So try and let me know. The battery is also the same, so it's very easy. Those battery you find it in any stores, Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Walmart, Target, everywhere they have this type of battery. Okay, let me show you that. If you get a multimeter and you put in volt continuous DC, you can measure the battery actually. Sometimes the car gives you a false signal, and I think that's my case. See, this is a 3-volt battery. So right now we measure it, and it says 355, 3055. So this is perfectly good. You don't have to replace it. Because now you just replace a battery for nothing. The other one, the one I was getting the signal from, the low battery signal, is 2914. It's still very good, but probably, you know, sometimes it's gonna give you false signals, especially because these new cars, they are keyless, so the battery works much more than in the old cars. So, but anyway, double check this before buying a new battery. If it is not below 2.6, 2.5, you don't have to replace the battery. Also, to put the battery back, you get the battery. You see there are two contacts there. You push it in like that. You slide it in. Be careful because you have to push it in against those. If not, you're gonna damage it. Let me do it again. See, pry out. When you pry out, it jumps because those are like springs. Be careful. You're not in the street or somewhere you can lose the battery. So you go in like this, you slide it in, and you push. See, right now, it's in the right position. Okay, now I did it wrong. See, it's a little tricky because there is also this one pushing. So you have to push it down and in. Okay, like that. Then you put a cover. That's an easy job. Tuck and tack. Done. You're ready to go.